Hi Beauty Pies, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Sephora haul. I wanted to share with you all of the products that I bought. It'll give you an idea of how I shop for products, why I buy them, and what I'm looking for when I'm selecting products. Before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment to subscribe. I post videos every week, makeup tutorials, hair tutorials, and currently I'm doing a series of videos related to pregnancy and preparing for a newborn, as I am currently pregnant with my second child. And also I'm turning 40 this year, so I plan to post content related to that. So make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on any videos. Now let's get into this haul. First product is the Josie Maran Whipped Argan Oil Ultra Hydrating Body Butter. My skin has been very dry as of recently. Part of the reason is because I only use oils to moisturize my skin. What I found is that putting oil, although it is very helpful for moisturizing, it's not enough. Oils tend to just sink into your skin. Top surface of your skin is still going to be dry. One of the reasons I've avoided moisturizers is because of all the additives. During my first pregnancy, I had bought cocoa butter to prevent stretch marks. But when I looked at the ingredients and the cocoa butters that they sell at the store, they have so many additives. I'm already pretty conscious about a lot of the ingredients that go into the products that I use, but being pregnant, it made me just even more conscious of it, especially because I knew I was going to be putting this directly onto my belly. And I know that whatever you put onto your skin is absorbed into your body and into your system. I wanted something that was more clean than the average cocoa butter. This is as clean as you can get for a body butter. All of the ingredients are organic and or naturally derived. This comes in about 3 different scents, as well as the unscented version, which is what I bought. So I bought this online and thought I would just start off with the unscented version just to get an idea of the texture of it, and then if I like it, next time I purchase it, I can purchase one of the scents after I go to the store and smell the different scents. Very thick. Yes, that is very moisturizing. I'm pretty sure you can see right now on camera how well that moisturized my hands. It's $36 for 8 fluid ounces. More details about this that's on the box. The argan oil nourishes your skin with essential nutrients. There's shea butter, avocado oil, white tea extract to revitalize. It's got a lightweight, velvety texture that absorbs instantly. Even if it bullet points and highlights those particular ingredients, I still will go into the actual ingredients list to see what's in it. So let's say, for example, the white tea extract, if it's like all the way at the bottom of the ingredients list, that means there's not as much of the white tea extract. So whatever is toward the top of the ingredients list tends to be what there's more of. So this is primarily water and argan oil, which is great. And then there's shea butter, sunflower seed oil, aloe vera leaf juice, beta carotene, squalane, comfrey leaf extract, green tea leaf extract, sunflower extract, and then the white tea leaf extract is the last ingredient on the list. So there's not as much of that as there is of everything else. It's also free of synthetic fragrances. It's paraben free, it's sulfate free, phthalate free, formaldehyde free, vegan, gluten free, cruelty free. It's a good place to start if you're looking for a clean moisturizer. If you go on the actual website, she'll talk a lot about how she sources her argan oil as well. It makes me feel like it's worth the extra amount that I pay for her argan oil products versus what you can find on Amazon. So I repurchased the Josie Maran 100% Pure Argan Oil. And this is a repurchase from years ago. You know how sometimes you buy something, you love it, but when you run out, you're so quick and eager to try something new that you forget about how much you love the product that you ran out of. That's kind of what happened with this one. So I've been really focusing on taking care of my skin and making sure that my skin is properly moisturized underneath my makeup, and I've been doing that by finding hydrating primers, but that just kind of made me think about using the argan oil to prime, which I did in lots of my previous videos. A lot of the oils do claim to be non-comedogenic. I also think that if you overuse it, like I was, like 2-3 times a day, I would use it morning, night, and I would also put it on underneath my makeup. And I think that might have been just too much for oils. So this time I plan to use it just under my makeup and use a different moisturizer in the morning and in the evening. So hopefully that won't cause me to break out as much as I did the first time. I'll keep you posted on how it works, or if it breaks me out, but I'll definitely be using this in a lot of my makeup tutorials as a radiance primer. Next product I want to talk about is this. This is the Bumble & Bumble Dryspun Texture Spray. Texture sprays are something I just recently heard about. I follow Naomi Boyer on YouTube, and she uses this in her hair a lot, and she has voluminous hair as it is, but I noticed that there's like a certain bounce. It's like an airy bounce to her hair when she adds this. I will say, since I purchased this, I have used it a couple times and I haven't noticed the same with my hair. I'm actually going to try it on my hair right now so that you can see for yourself if there's a difference. So what this claims to do is that it creates instant volume and holds airy texture all day. The instructions say to shake well, hold the can 10 inches away from dry hair, and spray in even strokes where you want lift and airy texture. So I always make sure to read the instructions, because if you're not using the product the right way, then you're not really giving it a fair chance. I'm gonna go ahead and just shake the can. See? Love the smell of this. It did give me some more volume. Is it really enough to justify using it a lot? I don't know. Go ahead and apply on this side as well. I'm gonna use less on this side. It doesn't have that crispy, hard feeling that a hairspray does, and yet it does give you some hold too. It doesn't have like a floral scent or anything. It's definitely some type of like chemical alcohol scent, but I do love it. It reminds me of hairspray and just being at the salon and being a lady and having a fresh new hairstyle. Even though I'm not completely sold on it, I don't plan to return it. I kind of want to just experiment with it and see how it works. Next time I want to actually try it on second day hair, see if it helps with hair once it's already starting to fall flat. So we'll see how it works. Next is the B&B Hairdressers Invisible Oil. It's a heat/UV protective primer. It's for dry to very dry hair. This is the mini version that I purchased. This is the 2 fluid ounce version, and I am loving this. I use the Kerastase Elixir Ultime, which I've talked about a lot. That's what I've used for years. I'm using that as well, but I'm using this in addition to that because I've been straightening my hair and I feel like that's just a lot more heat than I normally use. I noticed a lot of luster and shine. The product itself, it looks like conditioner. It's like a thick white conditioner, but when you spray it, it comes out like a spray. It has some great ingredients in it. Argan oil, grapeseed oil, sweet almond oil, coconut oil. So it has a lot of natural oils in it as well, but yet it's balanced perfectly with all the other fillers in it to just give you like great shine, and it doesn't weigh my hair down. I have found that Sephora is offering a lot of mini versions of products, and even though it costs more per ounce, I love purchasing the mini versions because I don't have all this product that I need to finish if I don't like it. So take advantage of that when you're shopping online at Sephora. Is it me or does my hair look bigger now? Like the texture spray is starting to work. I highly recommend trying because I like it. Next is the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. Also another product that now comes in the mini version. Also not cost effective at all because of the fact that this is pretty much half an ounce for like $40-50, and that's what I pay for like a full ounce of the NARS Sheer Glow, for instance, which is what I use regularly. I can't see myself, even if I loved it, paying $64 for an ounce of foundation. But if it's like miraculous, I would. So when I looked at this online, I saw a shade that I felt like could be a good match. So I'm looking forward to trying this next. I probably will try this in the next week or so and do a makeup tutorial on it or like a review. And last but not least is the Custom Enhancer Drops by CoverFx. This is in the shade Moonlight. I had tried a sample of this years ago and I liked it, but the way I used it was I basically mixed it in with my foundation and it just gave me kind of like an overall glow. As I've changed my makeup routine, I do not use highlighter a lot, but I do like the effect of a highlighter. I do like how it gives you a nice glow, but I don't like how typical highlighters give you shimmer. What I learned about this one was that it doesn't really have much shimmer, it just leaves a nice subtle glow. I do use this in my glowy skin with minimal steps video, which I'll link here, and I love how this works, and I feel like this bottle is going to last me like my whole life. I used very little and I applied it with my fingers on top of my makeup, and I just loved the effect it gave me. I'm going to show you a swatch of it. The dropper is not the easiest to use. It's just too thick, I think, for the dropper to pick up. That is just a drop. As you keep blending it into your skin, it just gives you a nice subtle glow without being too shimmery or glittery. So if you're like me and you enjoy the glow of a highlighter, but you don't really want to have that extreme highlighted JLo glow, you want to have something that you can wear in your skin every day that makes you glow from within, I feel like this is a really, really great product to try. And it has several different colors. So if you want to see how that looks on my face, check out my glowy skin makeup tutorial with minimal products. That is all for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And again, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.